All right, I've had a viewer request to create a cylinder with a knurling effect. This is a really interesting one. I think there's no built-in solution to do this, but there are ways around it. And so I'm just going to show one possible method for doing this. So I'm going to go into my shapes here. I'm going to do a search for diamond. And I'm just going to pull this one out here onto the work plane. And I'm going to hold my shift key to make it a little bigger so we can all see it. And for the sake of, it doesn't really need to be turned upside down, but for the sake of viewing, I'm going to go ahead and just turn this 180 degrees. I think it'll be just easier to see the effect. So here I am with my diamond shape, and I'm going to apply the duplicate and repeat technique. So I'm going to click on the diamond. I'm going to do Command D or Control D, depending on if you're Mac or Windows. And I'm going to duplicate the shape, and I'm just going to bring it up, just one click, in this case 1/8 of an inch, and I'm going to rotate it, again, in this case the default for the inner rotation circle, 22.5 degrees. It doesn't really matter, you kind of have to play with this and see what you like, but once I do that and then continue to hit Command D or Control D, I can then get this really interesting knurled cylinder shape. And of course, if I group all that, I can make one shape. And I can, if I needed to, I can take the take another shape here. Let's say just a basic hole shape or something. Make it large enough, and I can bring it above, maybe like right here. So like that. And then I could chop that top off, and I can chop the bottom off as well if I really needed to. So let me just do that here so we can see it, but that's how you would get your knurled cylinder. Okay.